Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all must be doing well and you must be in the pink of your health. Thanks for love and support that you had shown in last video. It was about a nutritional fact which need to be adopted by one of few upon our beginners who are keen into the bodybuilding. However, before getting into the bodybuilding, one of an feedback that I got from my office colleague, nowadays since most of the people are working from the home and the tongue temptation has taken a toll on their rising tummy. So the first advice that need to be bring in about losing their belly fat, and he was like, can I reduce my belly fat? And particularly I wanted to say that it's nothing, something is called as spot reduction. I can say that looking towards your overall goal, you are going to lose the fat from overall your body. That is not particularly going to lose something from your fat itself, and you're going to get the six pack out of it. So what will have to do it over here? If you are not willing to get into the gym, you want to shorten your workout time, or something that you want to do at your home itself. Nowadays, I can see that most of the people able to adopt the cycle at home. They are able to adopt a treadmill at home, or they will be able to work out on their body weight workouts or something like this surrounding. You can see that most of the people live in societies where most of the facilities are available around, or they might able to hit the gym because they do have the clubhouses most of the time, and that clubhouses is been able to provide the most of the amenities which has been equipped along with the treadmills and everything. So how we are going to shorten out this 20-30 minutes workout? Because I'll have to see within 20 or 30 minutes you're going to tap your fat. I repeat, you're going to tap your fat, not your muscles. So how you're going to do it? I can advise that you'll have to do your cardio at fasted stage. What is fasted about? Fasted is something that if you have taken your last meal at 10 last night, and right now you're somewhere around 8 or 9 in a morning. So in that case, you're going to get the window of almost around 10 to 12 hours where your body has not eaten anything. It's completely dependent on the fat as an energy source. So here what we have to do, fat as a fuel. We'll have to use it, fat as a fuel. I repeat, we'll have to use fat as a fuel. You don't have to eat anything before getting into the workout. One thing that I can advise, that you can take a cup of coffee, black coffee, because it's going to help you out as a pre-workout. It's going to help you out to as a fat burner. Yeah, you heard it right, fat burner. Another thing that you can add is L-carnitine. You might have heard about L-carnitine. L-carnitine is something which help your fat to get into the energy source. So whatever the fat which has been stored in around your belly, that is going to be consumed along with this. And having a belly into consideration, the adipose tissues are particularly going to help you out to utilize this fat. So how you're going to do this? How you're going to do this? You're going to do this along with the 20 or 30 minute high intensity cardio. That high intensity cardio can be anything. High intensity means you can speed up or you can rise your heart rate above normal. Above normal. The simple formula is 220 minus your age. Suppose my age is 30. 220 minus 30. 190 is the maximum heart rate I can take my heart up to. And as you can see, the maximum is heart rate, you will be able to reduce the maximum fat. In that case, I can advise you can go for 20 to 30 minute high intensity workout to do any activities at the maximum pace for 30 seconds. For another 30 seconds, you can take a rest. Again, you'll have to go for the 30-second high pace. Again, you'll have to rest for the 30 seconds. So this is the same cycle that you'll have to repeat along with your initial 20-30 minutes. 20-30 minutes. It can be anything. It can be treadmill, it can be electrical, it can be your sport jogging, or it can be your high intensity workout including your jumping jacks, high knees, anything. But it should increase your heart rate. So keeping this in mind, we don't have to lose our muscles. So what I can advise along with this, the caffeine in the morning, along with this, you'll have to go with the L-carnitine. And after workout, you'll have to go with the whey isolate. I'm not recommending any concentrate. I am completely saying it should be whey isolate along with glutamine, because whey isolate is going to help you out to recover your muscles, and glutamine is completely been required for the overall your recovery. I hope you got the message. For those people who are working from home and don't want to get into the gym, they are somewhere or to keep them restricted away from the gym, they can do anything at their home itself. 20-30 minute workout at high speed at maximum pace, where heart rate should be 220 minus your age. That is the maximum pace you can take it. 30 second pace, 30-second rest, 30-second pace, 30-second rest. This is the same formula that you'll have to adopt. High intensity workout, I'll definitely go for the another video where you can see the high intensity workout. But to tap your fat in initial days, you can go for this. And keeping this in mind, you'll have to go along with the 500 calories deficit in your day. Overall, looking towards your 2000 calories which has been required for the daily activities. Out of this, you'll have to burn 500 calories. It may be along with your nutrition correction, or it may be along with your addition of exercise. So by this time, I hope that you might have got the idea. Stay fit, stay healthy, hit India, fit India. See you in another video. Thank you.